if you're experiencing pending transfers on Discord. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly and easily. Follow these steps to clear up any pending transactions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the etrog.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Refresh Discord. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Discord app can resolve pending transfers. Close the app completely and reopen it to see if the status of your transfer changes. Step 4. Contact Discord support. If the transfer remains pending, reach out to Discord support team. Provide them with details about the transaction, including the amount and date, so they can assist you effectively. Step 5. Wait for processing. In some cases, transfers may take time to process due to server delays or other factors. Allow some time for the transaction to complete and check back later to see if it has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Discord. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Discord support.